Hey friends, it's Running Kimono here. So we have a new week over at Walgreens and we're going to look at the hottest deals. So this is for the week of October the 30th to November the 5th. Happy Halloween. So a couple more rules pour vous about that booster. Again, your mileage may vary. Not everybody receives it, but most of you do. It's again from the October the 30th to November the 5th. It is of a one-time use, and yes, you can stack the paper with the digital. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Now, this Sunday or this weekend, you might want to double, triple check at Walgreens if your store might have some P&G inserts. Sometimes it appears this weekend. And predicting on Tuesday, November the 1st, the day after Halloween, merchandise will hit 50%. With Halloween specifically, because it is so close to Christmas, they tend to clearance this merchandise out quickly. So perhaps the Saturday following, the Tuesday following, it might hit 75 or 90. Keep an eye out if you love everything Halloween. And just to clarify a little something, I made this video yesterday with the 10 back when you spend 10 booster. That is your mileage may vary. In the last year, I've gotten it twice, and it's a hard one to get. The more that you shop, the more these will pop up, but it's like a lottery. And I've only received on my main card one this year. So when it appears it's a gift, I know that a lot of you received it because I got a lot of DMs asking for this video, so that's why I made it. If you didn't get it, whenever you see this video once a month, just double, triple check your digital coupons folder. Maybe one day it might appear, hopefully by the end of the year. So now we're going to look at the various deals of the week. We have some inexpensive candy, 2 for $6, BOGO 40% off on the larger bags of candy as well. Not the worst deal. First deal that we're going to look at is with the Dove deodorant. We have a $7.50 off of 2 digital. I don't know if it's last week's coupon or they're going to give us a new one on Sunday. Wouldn't that be nice? But just looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 of these deodorants, if you didn't use that digital coupon the week previous, 2 of them at $8 is $16. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $8.50 out of pocket. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per deodorant. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account if you might have a rebate. I know they have one that's expiring today, which is the 28th. So I don't know, guys, but it would be really nice if there was one there. So double, triple check. And with the Walgreens cash, I do know that I used Walgreens cash a couple times last week and the register rewards did not print. So do this at your discretion or pay with your debit card if you want this to print where they're not going to argue with you. But I was having a lot of trouble last week in store. I do not know why. Next deal is this $3 to $6 for the AUSSIE and Head & Shoulders. The same promotion of earn a $4 reward when you buy 2 with the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. If you want to do the Dove and this deal, you must do them in separate transactions as that register reward will only print once per transaction. Grabbing 2 of the AUSSIEs, $3 a pop, as it said, that's $6. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free plus a $1 money maker. Now, what Head & Shoulders will be included? The larger bottles, the Supreme, which ones will be included? If you suffer from scalp issues, itchy, not feeling so great, and you're an avid user of Head & Shoulders, even for like $3 for 2 or whatever it might be after the coupons and all that magic, it still might be a heck of a deal, especially for Head & Shoulders. So this next deal, if you can line it up perfectly, this is an opportunity to get some very inexpensive Olay body wash. So as you can see, they're $7 a pop, 2 off of 2 digital. We're going to have to revisit that and see if we actually get extra digital coupons to go with. $4 reward when you buy 2. IBOTTA has $5 back when you buy 3 of these. So at the very least, go into your IBOTTA account right now and make sure that this rebate is activated so you have it on Sunday. So grabbing 3 of these for $21. If you have that booster, spend $20, get back $5. Make sure you have it loaded. Our digital coupon, you'll pay $19 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward for buying 2, $5 back from IBOTTA, $5 back in Walgreens cash for spending $20, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per body wash. That's very inexpensive. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. This is an opportunity to get some very cheap Olay. Next deal that we have, well, I'm going to wait on this one. $5 for these different toothpaste, and then a 5 off of 3, and then a 4 back when you spend 2. It would make it $2 per tube. Gonna put the big old pause on that for now. Okay, this deal too for the buy one get two for free on the Head and Shoulders. Typically when they have that promotion, guys, it's like they charge $7.99 for the first, so it's like $2.66 per, compared to the $1.99 that we typically get when it's a sales price for that. It's still a little bit more, so I would pause on this one unless you're in dire need of detergent. Okay, now we have the Walgreens brand bathroom tissue paper towel. This isn't the worst product, and it seems like there's quite a few in that bag. So $5 a pop, if you have some store rewards to use, by all means, I would use them on this. And then this is good laundry deal of the week for $5.49. Earn a $6 reward when you buy 4. They're giving us a little bit more room here that if you have a $50 booster, yes, you can stack multiple deals together, like, the Olay deal and this or whatever. It's just a little bit better than what we were seeing. So, I would grab, I know that Bounce makes a scent-free dryer sheet. That's what I'm going to be looking for. But grabbing 4 of them for $21.96. If I had the booster, 5 back when you spend 20. Obviously have that loaded. Pay down with your debit card. Double, triple check if there might be digital coupons as well for you on Sunday morning. Get back a $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. It makes it half of that cost. So you're paying $10 for 4 or $2.50 per Tide. Really good deal. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it'll mess everything up with a booster. This specific deal, not the worst, at 99 cents for these Dawn dish soaps. If you're an avid user of this, you know the value. A little dab can do a whole sink of dishes. If you might have one of these $4 store coupons and you're like, well, how do I use this? And if you love Dawn, or if you're a newer couponer that wants to stockpile this, you know how I would do it? I would grab 5 of those Dawn dish soaps for $4.95. Use that $4 store register reward and pay 95 cents plus your tax. And that's a lot of soap on the cheap. So I think this is a good little deal for some cheap Dawn, especially if you want to stockpile it for the cold winter months. Okay, so our friend is back at $4.99. We're going to have to double, triple check on Sunday morning if there's a digital coupon for either the Irish Spring or the Soft Soap Body Wash. $5 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these for $9.98, paying that out of pocket. $5 reward, making it $4.98 for the 2, or $2.49 per. Again, if you have a larger basket booster, such as the Spend 50, Get Back 10, like this, ideally with the Tide and a couple other deals, you can get to that $50 price point, with your eyes closed and your hands tied behind your back. It'd be that easy. Okay, now the Nivea body wash, $5 a pop. Earn a $5 Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So 3 of them is $15 on the nose. Get your $5 back in Walgreens cash, making it $10 for the 3, or $3.33 per. Now I know that as a curbside pickup, there's some sort of code to get $5 off when you spend $15. And if this is a Walgreens cash deal, you probably would pay $5 for the 3. So we're going to have to wait and see on Sunday morning how that one pans out as a curbside pickup, because that might be a better deal that way, but we'll have to again wait and see. A diaper deal for you, 2 for $21. And unfortunately, all of the Huggies coupons are expiring on Saturday, but a $4 reward when you buy 2. Obviously, your homework will be to check the digital coupons on Sunday morning, what will be attaching to these guys. But grabbing 2 of them for $21. If you have a booster, like 5 back when you spend $20, have that loaded. Pay with your debit card the $21, get back 5 for the booster and a $4 register reward. Fetch and IBOTTA, will they have new rebates for specifically Huggies diapers, yay or nay? And the digital coupons also, you'll have to double, triple check that. And remember to use your debit card if you're using a booster to buy these diapers on Sunday. Okay, guys, let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. Okay, the first one is this Toffee at BOGO, 40%. If you're trying to collect a couple nice goodies for Christmas baskets or whatever, it is some cheaper chocolate. Unfortunately, no digital for Toffee. A lot of the food is BOGO 50% off, which is really nice to see. Lindsay Olive's BOGO free. Use some store register rewards or Walgreens cash, so you're paying less out of pocket. Wouldn't that be just lovely? Some adult beverages with the mail-in rebate that comes out of the Catalina machine. You send the manufacturer, the UPC, the box, your receipt, your information, and they send you back a check or a prepaid gift card, Visa gift card usually. And the different Dayquils, I know that Dawn's Deals was finding these on clearance and then getting back that $5 store reward. So something to keep an eye on if you find clearance Dayquil. This might be really a sign that Christmas is just around the corner. A lot of these adorable gift sets. I mean, if you have some burning store register rewards or Walgreens cash to spend, they're starting to put the displays up, and there's a lot of nice stuff for exactly $10 on the nose. I even saw some of the raw sugar lotions and potions gift sets, so I really want to pick up a couple of those. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.